Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to set SIM card lock in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to setting in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. Okay guys, here in settings. Okay, scroll down and select additional settings. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in additional settings, okay, select device and privacy. And okay guys, here in device and privacy and encryption and locking, okay, you can see the setup SIM card lock. Okay, click this. Okay guys, here you can select the SIM you want to lock. So okay, I choose SIM 1. So okay, I select SIM 1. And okay guys, here you can see the switch button. And okay guys, we need to require pin to use phones. Okay, you'll have to do to create a SIM card lock. Okay, you can turn on this button. And okay guys, and you can create the pin. So okay, this is my example only. And okay guys, after you create a pin, so okay, click OK on the upper right side on your screen. And okay, pin lock. Okay, we have successfully created the SIM card lock in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.